Danko bafethu uPeterson umfundo Vilakazi to i-All Stars lezo dlala ne-team ezowina between Marumo Gallants ne-Pirates bafethu. uPeterson he has been doing well bafethu. Even now umfundo Vilakazi, and I heard the story ukuthi uPeterson is going to represent iBafana Bafana very soon. So let's hope bengamfaka going forward because we don't know what will happen. Maybe Hugo Bruce, he can just test him to see how does he play. Umfundo Vilakazi obvious bathi hayi akame kancane ngaBafana Bafana, but I know he's still going there. And then uCross naye kune-rumor abafesi ukuthi he might, because of indlela adlala ngayo bafethu, he might be joining iBafana Bafana. And I have been seeing even the commentators, they have been commenting him a lot, saying Umlungu is playing, yabona. So which means he's going there. Bese kube uMiguel bafethu. uMiguel, I'm a big fan of uMiguel, kodwa when a player is not doing well bafethu, we have to admit ukuthi player is not doing well. Like these other players, when they are not doing well, we ask ama-coaches ukuthi ababeke ebhentshini badlalise abanye. I think uMiguel naye it's high time ukuthi naye akahlale ebhentshini bafowethu. It's not ukuthi we hate him or we are saying he is no longer playing, but I think there is a lot that he needs to learn because bit by bit igame bafowethu it keeps on upgrading. You cannot play the same thing as last year or last of last year. Each and every year or each and every season, there is the upgrade that you have to come up with. So I think naye bafowethu, he needs to, even the coaches, the way they love him bafowethu and trusting him, I think they have to put the trust aside and do the right thing. And then bese kuba remember to Solomon. Solomon is playing the best bafowethu, but in big matches, I prefer uMonyane bafowethu because uMonyane, he has a good balance. He can balance game and ama-skills wakhe nendlela acabanga ngayo. I'm not saying I'm letting down uSolomons. Solomons is the best player. And bafowethu bacela abantu abaseduze na Tohani Mall ukuthi basondele. There's a lot to give away bafowethu. Danko.